Hello, everybody. It is Thursday, which means math with Miss T. Woo! Thursday math. Today, our target is to compare two-digit numbers. So numbers that have 10, tens place, and ones place. So 2 digits or 2 spots, tens and ones. So we've been talking about these symbols this week, the greater than symbol and the less than symbol. So remember, the hungry alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. So that is one way that kids can remember that the symbol of the big side goes towards the bigger number. The smaller side goes to the smaller number. So we're going to work on comparing two-digit numbers as our target again today. So this symbol, this greater than sign, is the same as the less than sign. They are just turned around to different directions. So I'll show you what I mean as we work through some of these. So greater than, less than. And what does this middle one mean? It means equal. Equal is exactly the same. So greater also means bigger, and less means smaller. So we are going to compare two-digit numbers, and to do that, I have my deck of trusty Uno cards. I don't know if you like playing Uno, but I love it. So I am going to pick my first digit is going to be 6 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place. So 68 is the first number that I am going to work with. So 68, I'm going to draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I drew 6 tens, or 60, and I'll draw 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 tens and 8 ones is my first number, 68. I'm going to use my trusty Uno cards. My next number is 5 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And that number, we say, is 55. Let's draw that one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 in the tens place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pen works a little bit better. So you can see that they both have a lot of tens. This one has how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, so 68. And this one has 5 tens and 5 ones. So which one has more? We start by looking at the tens. Does this have more tens, or does this one have more tens? 68 has 1 more 10. So we know that 68 is the bigger number. I'm going to circle the bigger number, and I'm going to use my symbol, my greater than sign. Here it is, 68, it should go like this, is greater than 55. It has more than 55. So I'm going to make it on that way. I'm also going to take these two numbers and I'm going to make a number line to show these two numbers. So I'm going to show that again right here. I'm going to, remember when we did our number line a few weeks ago, we did an open number line like this, and I think I'm going to start with the smaller number. So 55, I'm going to say 55, and then I'm going to go 5 more. 55 plus 5 is 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. So when I look from smaller to bigger, I can see smaller is over here and bigger is over here. And so if I trade these numbers around, I still have 55 and 68. But you'll notice that now my symbol has changed directions. I have used the same symbol, but instead of 68 being the bigger symbol, it's the other way around. And we read this like 55 is less than 68. So you can think about making an open number line to help you. If the number is on the left as you're counting up, the number is going to be smaller. Very similar to how Mr. Courtney talked to you about numbers on the hundreds chart. A number line is another way to practice this. So let's do another set with our Uno cards. I'm going to put these back. I just like to choose random numbers. 3 10s and 3 1s compared to 0 10s and 9 1s. So when we draw this out, when we write the number 33 and we leave a space to compare, we don't have to write the 0. It's just 9. If you have nothing in the tens place, you have 9. So let's draw this out. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. So we have 30 plus 3. We have 0 10s. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So automatically you can see there are more 10s in this pile. So we put the big side to the big number and we read it like this. 33 is greater than 9. Thinking about making an open number line. Remember, a number line is when you draw a line and you think, which of these would come first on the number line? If I did 10 here, and 20 here, and 30 here, then I know 9 is the number that comes right before 10, and 33 is going to come 1, 2, 3 after 30. So I can see by my number line that 9 is much smaller than 33. So when I do my comparison, 9 is less than 33. I can turn that fact around by putting the 9 in front of 9 and 33, and I can write my inequality this way too. 9 is less than 33. I know these symbols can be really tricky. I remember when I was learning this math concept a long time ago, I got very confused with this symbol because if it goes this way, it means less than, and if it goes this way, it means more than. It really helps me to think the big side goes toward the big number. If you know what the greater number is or the larger number is, face your symbol towards the big side. Let's do one more of these practice charts. What are the Uno cards going to give us this time? 3 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. 9 in the tens place and 9 in the tens place. That is a big number. That is a big number. So I'm going to draw my tens and ones again. 10, 20, 30, 1, 31, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 99. I can see right away that there are way more 10s in 99 than there are in 30. So I need my sign to have the big side towards the big number, and I say 31 is smaller or less than 99. I'm going to draw my open number line to prove, and I'm going to draw 10. I'm going to draw it by tens. I'm going to start at 30, and then I'm going to write 40 and 50 and 60 and 70 and 80 and 90. 99 would be 90, 91, 92, 93, 99 would be way up here as a big number, and 31 would be right by the 30. So you can see that 90 is much bigger than 31. 31 is less than 99. I hope that this lesson has been helpful to you in solidifying the concept of comparing two-digit numbers. So have a great time doing the worksheet, and ask your teachers if you have any questions. Have a great day.